Sneaker family, what's good? Big homie back with another sneaker video. So this weekend, we almost had a complete disaster. All right, so it's Black Expo weekend here in the city. So every year we do like this free concert. They used to be free. Now it's not free no more. You got to pay. Whole nother story. So wifey and I, we go down there. If you're familiar, it was King George, Kim, Midnight Star, and October London. Cool little lineup or whatever. Outside venue, so we cool. So me and wifey, we go down there. I'm like, it's hot outside. I'm gonna wear a jersey. Let me find out which jersey I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna wear a Bron jersey. So I was like, let me find out which jersey I'm gonna wear. I'll show you which one I wore. All right. So I rocked this jersey, Cavs jersey, throwback, James on the back. See, it's orange and blue. I was like, all right, I got options. I could either could have wore the birthday, or even could have wore my hardwood classic. Definitely wasn't wearing the orange box because, this only get pulled out on special occasions, and this definitely had a special occasion. So I was like, yeah, definitely not going to wear this one. Then on top of that, it was raining off and on all day. So when I'm at work the whole day, I'm like, man, the venue might even get rained out tonight. We might not even be able to go. So it was off and on raining all day. I'm like, you know what? What can I wear that, you know what I'm saying? Even if it does get wet, it's not going to get messed up. The birthday definitely don't want to wear them in the rain. The hardwood classic, don't want to wear those in the rain. So I was like, with something orange, bet. I'm going to wear my Big Bang. I'm like, all right, cool. So, I get them, put them on, get dressed. Me and wife, we go downtown. We start walking. I go around. We found actually two spots to sit and post up. But I sat down one spot. Wifey was like, hey, let's go over to this spot. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I pick up everything, go over there, sit down. I'm like, all right. So I go to cross my leg, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling. Like I said, sitting in my lawn chair, got my drink. And someone was like, grab your shoe. Or look at your shoe. So I looked at the shoe. First, I saw all of this. Now, mind you, we just got here. So we're going to be at this concert for the next couple of hours or whatever. So I'm like, all right. So I got soul separation. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, all right. So that's the left shoe. Here go the right shoe. Saxophones is getting loud. I'm like, oh man. So we sitting there, we chilling. I'm like, I gotta go to the restroom. Oh, let me forget this. Look at that. Now mind you, like I said, we just got there. Saxophones is drowning out the concert. I can't hear nothing else. But I'm like, I gotta go to the restroom. So I get up, go to the restroom. Halfway to the restroom, I'm like, damn, I'm walking around like my shoes ain't falling apart. I'm like, all right, so get in the restroom, get back, sit down, I'm looking at the shoes, I'm looking at all this soul separation. I'm like, all right, and I'm checking like the middle of it. I'm like, it ain't too bad in the middle. It's separating, but this, it ain't separating yet. So I'm like, I should be good. I should be able to make it to the crib. So I got my foot back up. Look at the back. Look at this. I'm like, oh man. So the saxophones are just going crazy. I'm like, man, this is about to be all bad. I show my wife. She busts out laughing. She almost spit her drink out. She like, you gonna learn wearing these old shoes. You know what I'm saying? But they nostalgic. They mean something. So I'm like, I'm still gonna rock them. Paid the money for them. I'm gonna try, well, at least try and rock them. So yeah, this one was like, look at this. Look at this. Mind you, I'm downtown at a whole concert. I'm like, man, look at this. That one was doing that. I don't know if this one, this one ain't separating on the midsole. We just got sole separation back here and then the toe, as you can see right there. But yeah, this one right here, I couldn't do nothing but laugh. Look at that. Couldn't do nothing but laugh. Like I said, I got about 3 hours left in this concert. So I didn't get up the rest of the night. So, when it's time to go, I get up. Mind you, both air bubbles is done. I didn't see this when I was at home. I don't know. But like I said, we down there. I'm like, all right. So we get up. It's time to go. I'm walking to the car. I'm walking kind of cautious. Now, mind you, we didn't have to go too far. You know what I mean? So I get to the car. I'm in the car. I'm cool now. I'm like, all right, man, the horror is over. Because the last thing I want to do is take a step and all this come out. You know what I mean? The whole shoe come out the midsole, and midsole on the ground. I'm still taking steps. But yeah, if you got old kicks like this, I mean, I used to kind of be like, I'm not buying the retro because I don't need 2 pair.
A bullshit? A bullshit?
I'm definitely about to start buying retros because this is one of my favorite shoes. I didn't have it in my top 5, but it's one of my favorite shoes, you know what I'm saying, that I own. Big Bang LeBron 9. It took me so long, like the backstory trying to get these, it just took me so long to get these. And I remember on release, you know, when they dropped, I didn't get them on when they dropped. It was just a lot with this shoe. So this shoe kind of means a lot to me. And I'll show you how much it means to me. So my homeboy wife, she's a painter. And you know what I'm saying, one year for Christmas, he was like, I'm going to get all the homies, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to get a picture made for him. So she painted the shoe, went on my Instagram. If you go back a long time ago on my Instagram, a couple years ago, you'll see I posted a picture with my Big Bang 9s on. And she drew it for me. So this shoe right here, this is a dope picture. You know what I'm saying? She actually drew the picture, painted it, all of that, off of my Instagram picture. So like I said, the Big Bang 9 definitely is one of my favorites, but it wasn't in my top 5. I know I just did my top 5, but yeah, to go out, to be at a concert, chilling, big kicking, and having a good time, and then you see that, then you see that, then you got that. Now, mind you, I don't know if you ever had a shoe on that starts to fall apart while you're wearing it. You can feel it. Like, you can feel it for real, for real. Like with my LeBron 3s, I don't know if y'all seen these. I was actually at a doctor's appointment with these on. Look at this. All this happened while I was in the doctor's office. Yeah, the other one looked just like it. So if you've never experienced, you know, being out and your shoe actually falling apart on your foot, it ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying, nice, nothing that you want to deal with. Like I say, we always, you know, trying to rock these OGs. We want the OG, but with the retro, we gotta get the retros. If it's a kick that you're not gonna wear, that's one thing. But if we want, you know what I'm saying, you want to rock your kicks, your Big Bang 9s, your 3s, a lot of these kicks, man, you got to get a retro. And I'm a firm believer in that now because I was like, I don't like to do doubles. I don't like to double up. But the kicks that I definitely wear on a regular, I'm going to get the retro in it. So South Beaches, my, where's it at? Favorite kicks. See, we got soul separation on that. I think I got a couple more. I can't remember which other ones is in here, but yes, it's definitely 2 or 3 more here that they starting to separate. But hey, that's just a part of the game. And I try and keep all my stuff, you know what I'm saying, climate control, not in the box, take that paper out, all that kind of stuff. I try and take all the measures, but they still gonna fall apart, y'all. It's just, you know what I'm saying, leather, nylon, plastic, rubber, all of that. It's gonna break down. They're gonna fall apart. So definitely, you know what I'm saying, trying to save a lot of the kicks I got. I think another one I got, another 3. I just looked at it. It's another 3. It's got some soul separation on it. You know what I'm saying? I got to drop them off to the homie. And then luckily, we went to that concert on Friday. And Saturday, I ran into the dude who does all the restorations. Like, you know, I told him what was going on. He was like, man, just come up and holler at me. You know what I'm saying? We'll figure it out. Because luckily, he works down the street from my job. So on the way home, I have to pass his job all the time, you know what I'm saying, to come home. So I'll stop by there. We'll work something out, drop all the pairs off that I need to get restored, and try and go from there. But I'm definitely in the market for retro, size 13, Big Bang 9, South Beach 8, LeBron 3, All-Star, and LeBron 3 Low. It's a couple of them, you know what I'm saying? I'll make a list. I'll make a hit list because there's a lot that I want to wear that I'm scared to wear now. Oh, I do have another LeBron 2. My bad, I might have been tripping on that. I think I got that 2 fixed already, but there was a 2 low that I had to get fixed. But it's neither here nor there. Wear your kicks because they're going to fall apart. You know what I mean? We can take all the steps, take all the measures, all the precautions that you want to take. But at the end of the day, it's going to fall apart. So, yeah, I just thought I had to share that with y'all. Try and put out a public service announcement to wear your kicks because they are going to fall apart. And that's just crazy. A part of me just wants to rip it off because I know that's what he going to do anyway. But that's crazy. Look at that. That's crazy. And I had these on when it was doing all of that. It was doing the food. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe. You got any horror stories down in the comment section? Let me know. And appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Never gassed it that I was out and my shoe kind of fell apart like that. So get at me. I'll be back at y'all. Catch y'all in the next one.